What's this? What is this? Okay. Okay. I remember what this means. This is for my bag. Oh. Okay. Looks good. Mama. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Just a hunger. See. What's the next thing? Lipstick. I'm pulling already. Expiry dates. Okay. Sorry, my type of unboxing. It looks like it would be nice though. Is it sealed? Brown. No. Did I choose this color? Okay. Okay. We have necktie. There you go. This people use. What is the life of this book? Looks nice though. Looks nice. What's this one? For my hair. For my locks. Ring. Oh my god, my ring is here. I love this ring so much. So I feel like breaking it out. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. This is so beautiful. I love it. So basically, oh my god, I love it. What's next? Oh, my neck piece. I love this neck piece already. For my hair. Oh, another one, the pearls. Okay. Looks like I will like it too. Okay. Looks nice. I can't wait to like it. What's this one? Okay. Purple. Abby, what color is this? What color? Why are there so much odd colors? See how that goes. Yeah, okay. I remember picking this. This inside. Yeah, this looks like what I would choose. Pecolaris. Hey, my belt is here. Am I impressed? I like it. I love lightweight items. I love it. And the earrings are so beautiful. Who wants the earring? I can give you. If you want the earring, send me a DM, but make sure you're my customer, please. Make sure you have bought something from me. If you want this earring is so beautiful. Make sure you have bought something from me. I'm gonna make another video on that. Okay, this is like lip balm. Yeah, I remember. This lip what? Look at the lip. Oh, nice. Never mind. lip mask. I chose. Okay, I chose all of this. Hey God. Hey God. This is more like a vanity box. Oh, my Chinese. Oh, I love. Look, hope it has not broken. Ah. Temu. 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 Oh, this is so beautiful. Shit. This is so beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful. I can't wait to rock it. This is like a vanity box. I ordered all of these things. Hey God, I mean, all these ones are gold. I don't want gold. I don't like gold. Okay. Yes. These guys waited for me to finish my. Oh, I really wanted this for my last job, but it didn't come on time. But thank God it's here right now. I'll use it for my next job. And that is the end. Let me show you guys. That's the end. Oh my God, this is like a vanity shopping. Vanity shopping. How many jewelries did I buy? Bought 1, 2. This is a set. 3, 4. This is like my best. 5, 6, 7. Then I bought lip stuff for my hair, for my bathroom, and my bag. And this is the only thing I bought for my sewing. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.